It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our 37-foot BARRIE Farrell design. It's running 130 horsepower Perkins Diesel, rebuilt by Steveston Marine in 2012. So we're inside the boat. We're walking into it. This is sort of the settee area. You can pull that bench out to create a double berth in the back here. You have an aft head. You got sort of a storage area. There's the dinghy davit thingamajiggy that needs to be glued back on the boat. We won't be gluing it. There's the head. It's got a separate shower, or a wet head or separate shower. Vacuum flush head, it looks that way. As we come around to the front of the boat, you got a galley area. Walking forward on the port side, you have a Pacific by Dickinson diesel stove, it looks that way. You have some sort of camp chef, something or another, microwave oven. You got a settee that turns into a double B berth, and you got a big V berth up front, helm station on the port side. You saw me doing the startup video. If you watched it, it got a Lowrance HDS. It's got an Elite 5 unit that goes up top, a Xantrax monitor, etc. Remember, it's got a survey. Owners wanting to sell. They've owned it for 30 years. It has assumable mortgage. Board approval needs to happen. Please bring your offer on this one. 37-foot BARRIE Farrell. Thanks for watching our inside video of this boat.